Hello, everyone. I'm Mona, and here we are on the MTextiler channel to learn about common fibers and how we can identify them. In the fibers section, we will go through 4 steps to get familiar with fibers. Stay with me. The 4 parts of fiber identification are: what is fiber? Categories of fibers, main properties of fibers, types of yarn production systems. In this episode, we're going to cover what is fiber. So, let's start. What is fiber? Fibers are the raw material and the basic building unit of yarn. They are polymer macromolecules formed by the joining of monomers. They have sufficient strength and flexibility for producing yarn and fabric. A fiber is a very long and thin strand with a high length to diameter ratio. These are the primary definitions of fibers, and we can generally say that any material with these characteristics and the ability to be converted into fabric is considered a fiber. This includes special fibers used in medicine and industry for specific applications, which also follow the same parameters. Now, let's go to the most important characteristic of fibers. The most important feature of fibers is their length, and for this reason, they are classified into 2 categories based on length. Staple fiber, continuous fiber. From the images, we can see that staple fibers are short and cut into pieces, while continuous fibers are long with lengths that can reach thousands of meters. For more learning, remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video.